My major media would like to wish you a Merry Christmas to all South Sudanese around the world. This is not the ending of 2013 that we were expecting. But we have to accept it since the future could not have been told. Instead, we have to use this spirit of Christmas to think of what is important to us, the people of South Sudan. We have to unite if we can and support what is going to benefit us in the long term rather than individuals' interest. Politicians do come from different thought of life experiences. Even you too could be a politician. But one thing they do have in common is that they disunite people, and one day they will leave the job without satisfying us. The damage that they have caused will last forever on the mind of families who lost their loved one. I'm appealing to the President of South Sudan, Kir Mayardit, and Riek Machar to think of elderly people, children, women, and those who cannot seek shelters like everybody else. If you are on the internet, please consider things before you write them or give your judgment. Because what you say might well one day change the face of South Sudan. Try to be patient and positive like these guys. Even though they were less, the message of unity was heard locally and nationally. Working together will bring us together. South Sudanese in the West are doing exactly the same.